Will Rind, worries about slower Chinese growth hurt the mining stocks yesterday, especially BHP Billiton. Tell me, should this worry gold bugs?
I think that any kind of slowdown certainly would have some kind of impact on the demand for gold coming out of China. However, the broader case for gold still is very much predicated on low interest rates, possible fiat currency debasement, particularly out of Europe and the US, and a weaker US dollar. And I think a slowing Chinese economy certainly underpins those three factors.
So it still comes back to Bernanke. Now, Bernanke was speaking in front of a college classroom yesterday. He's speaking on Capitol Hill today. All eyes on Bernanke. He's the one who really moves gold.
Correct. Certainly in the short term. Typically, we've seen movements from gold on the back of the testimonies in the past. Investors looking for some kind of indication or clue as to whether there'll be another round of quantitative easing. That was a catalyst just only a couple of months ago for a bit of a sell-off in gold, when people perhaps thought that there'd be an indication of quantitative easing. There wasn't. However, any kind of testimony from the Fed is very important for investors in the gold and hard asset markets generally.
And what if he speaks glowingly about the economy? It seems like it's getting better because you had better housing numbers, the unemployment rate has gone down, job numbers have been better. So should this scare gold bugs?
I think certainly what we've seen is better economic numbers, and from our business at ETF Securities, that's been translated into more investment into the pro-cyclical metals such as platinum, palladium, and even silver. So yes, a better economy in the short term is certainly not as good for gold as it is for the other precious metals. However, taking that aside, the broader macro picture is still the same. We have very high debts in the West. We have budget deficits, weaker currencies, and these sort of factors are underpinning continued interest in gold.
It's still rough out there. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
This market is
stock picker's market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to